Hi, I'm Eloise from Tony Guy Richmond, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a voluminous straight blow dry using label M products. First, I've used the label M Diamond Dust Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this range because it really exfoliates my hair, it helps to give shine, nourishment, and I love the smell of it, it just smells fantastic. So I'm going to start off with the label M Volume Foam. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a shake and then just apply a couple of pumps to my hand. Just rub that in and I'm going to apply it to the roots. And then I'm going to go in with the label M Anti-Frizz Cream. Just need a couple of pumps of that. And then I'm just going to work that through to the ends and then any excess onto the root. I love these products, they just smell amazing. And then the label M Detangling Brush to help make sure that my hair is snag free. And then a lot of arm muscles because this is going to be working out. I'm just going to give that a brush through, make sure all the product is evenly distributed throughout the hair. Then I'm going to take the label M hair dryer. I'm going to rough dry about 80 to 90%. I'm going to direct the hair forward and I'm also going to turn my head upside down when I rough dry to encourage volume. So once you've rough dried, you can see that your volume is already starting to take place. So just split it in two so it's a little bit more manageable. And then we're going to start our blow dry. So from there, I'm going to take the label M round brush in extra large and the label M hair dryer, and I'm going to start directing the hair through the brush, keeping the brush continuously moving and keeping the airflow going down, so it's going to help my hair to lie flatter. So once you're at the front of your section, you're then going to start with your brush, putting the volume in at the root and directing everything forward as you're blow drying. So this is going to make sure that when the hair comes back, it sits more like this. So once we finish the blow dry, then I'm going to go in with my Shine Mist by label M. I'm going to apply that liberally, spraying that throughout the hair. And then I'm going to run over my hair section by section with the straighteners to lock in the shine, but also make sure that my hair is nice, sleek and smooth. What you do is you just take a nice thin section and then with the label M straighteners, you're just going to work upwards, following the direction you went with the brush, and then follow through all the way to the end. And then you can see how you keep the volume throughout. So this is the final look. I'd like to thank you from myself and also the Tony Guy family, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.